Kanong aikitin Jong ko All India Congress Committee ka Babita Sharma kalapin bala Paidbah bakin Pynlong ya ka Jingiaid Paidbah lani ka Bharat Jodo Yatra kaban sedang nadu ka nyaw tarik unai lur mentau benai ban persya ya kani ka sarkar halor ka jingkiudor nadu ki marba mardi ka jingbam yo kam yo jam bat kiwei ha kini ki prasnem balasanchar da ka BJP jong ka sarkar pedeng habakran bagla pathai khubor kanong aikitin ka AICC ka Babita Sharma kalaong bakin Pynlong ya kani ka Jingiaid Paidbah bat kan beteng hadu sispa san Sngi ya kani ka Bharat Jodo Yatra on nyalam daw National President ka Congress u Rahul Gandhi kintup lang habaro ki Jylla jongkari ka Sharma kala khot sungubha ya baro banyashim menta ha kani ka yatra.
On 7th September we are going to have the Bharat Jodo Yatra, and today the press meet is on the itinerary of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Main goal of Bharat Jodo Yatra is to take the people of the country the issues of economic, social and political. As we have seen in the last 8 years since the Modi government has come to power, the promises that were given by the BJP government led by Shri Narendra Modi, people had given him vote with lot of trust, lot of hope. But what have we seen in the last 8 years? That all their hopes and trust have been destroyed. And we have seen that the trust they had in the BJP government, which the people voted to power, has been dismantled one by one. First and foremost, in the economic problem that we are facing now, the most important problem is price rise. At that time, they used to talk about the rise of petrol, the price rise issues. When they were in the opposition, they used to take to the streets. But what do we see now? Now for the common people, petrol has reached more than 100. Price rise is skyrocketing. For everybody, for you and me, for everybody, it's becoming very difficult to even make ends meet in the household. Every housewife, every man who works in an office, every daily wage earner feels the pinch of the skyrocketing prices. And what about the 2 crore jobs every year that they had promised? We don't see anything now. Unemployment has been the highest in the last 45 years. And even now, in every state, unemployment is a big issue. And our youths are very, very disheartened with what has been promised to them. So these 2 economic issues we want to take to the people of the country through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Secondly, we have seen that in the last 8 years, unprecedented social tension in India. Everywhere that you go, you find that there is some kind of communal hatred between people, which is something like an engineered way. We have grown up in an atmosphere of harmony and secularism. You, me, everybody. In our schools, we were taught that unity and diversity. Because India is a country with so many different religions, so many different communities, so many different languages. But now we see that it takes just a small instance of incident to create a spark. Sometimes we feel that this kind of work has been engineered to divert attention from the real issues of price rise, of unemployment, of what they have not been able to deliver to the people as promised in the elections. So in order that people don't question the government, so that people remain engaged in these social tensions, we feel that these are encouraged, that there is a conspiracy to keep people engaged in hatred, in creating animosity between each other.